Hi guys, Harry here from the Motor Yacht department here at Berthon. Behind us we have a Sabre 36 Flybridge. She's a 2006 model called Sea Mist, based ashore here at Berthon. Let's take a look on board. As mentioned, we're outside Sea Mist, which is a Sabre 36 Flybridge. She's finished in this flag blue hull with a sport white deck. She is a GRP superstructure with the extended hardtop and hull spars and radar mast. She is a 2006 model, and just moving into the cockpit here, you see all wrapped around, have blue canvas which is still in really great condition. Under here we have the first hatch into a rather large lazarette, and is another two separate hatches to access here. Really deep, really useful space. You can pack a lot of stuff in there. Either side you've got really good walkways down to the bow. Feel really safe with high railings. Let's move upstairs into the Flybridge, where you will see a companion chair and a separate seating for the helm. Up here we have upgraded plotter. We've got an Axiom Pro with radar. We've got a rudder indicator and tri-data log speed and depth. We've got a Raymarine 240E VHF and a Ritchie steering compass with a searchlight control. Actually mirrors the below controls as well, which we will see a little later. There's a very good sized bench just behind the helm as well, easily fitting another 3 guests if you like. Really great visibility up here when mooring, and obviously great views when you're going along. Really lovely space up here. Just got a sliding hatch here that will cover up down below in the cockpit when it's raining. This mast's hinged. You are deciding to go down the canals. You've also got a life raft strapped to the back there as well. Got another useful space underneath this bench for walks and fenders if you like. All draining cockpit here. I'm just going to move inside to the saloon. Really light interior. You've got loads of natural light coming in. Really fantastic place to be. Again, really great visibility as well. Got storage underneath there and 2 separate chairs and a table that stows there. So here you've got a reverse control, originally spec for the US. She has air conditioning and a reverse heating system on board. More storage over to port. And here we have the main helm station, all with the same controls as the Flybridge, apart from the difference in plotters. Down here we've got an E120. This seat just pops up and easily collapsible if you were to use the side door. Really useful thing to have with the side door, obviously. If you're helming solo, very easy to hop on and off if you're coming alongside a dock. So here we have the engine bay. She is powered by twin Yanmar 370s. Last serviced in January 2022. She has a cruising speed of about 24 knots, maximum speed about 30 knots. Engine hours are circa 554 hours. And as I say, she was last serviced in January 2022 and has been serviced annually since then. All your battery breakers and your separate batteries down here too. Moving back up, which is this beautiful teak floor throughout. I'm just going to go down into the galley where we see this blue Corian surface with plenty of storage, a separate microwave and sink. And also more storage underneath there, tinned goods and other storage alike. You've just got a bin storage there, and identical shelving storage as the one over to port. So you've got a twin burner electric hob here and a large fridge. The usual storage underneath the steps, we've got 3 on each layer, and moving over to the switch panels. All really simple and easy to use. Another locker underneath here, obviously access to your bilge. So again, same Corian worktop surface. Around the sink, you've got a separate shower here with electric heads. This is your day access, and moving forward to the main and only cabin. She's a large double with plenty of headroom down here. You've got 2 hanging lockers either side. Again, controls for the air conditioning and heating system down here with vents throughout. More sliding hatch storage and plenty more natural light coming in with the roof hatch. Access from the cabin into the heads. Again, plenty of room in here. Okay, moving back through. Just give you another look at that nice and bright Airy saloon. And moving outside onto the side decks and moving forward to the bow. Which is an electric windlass here, which is Lumar. You have controls forward and in the inside helm and Flybridge helm. Really deep stowage lockers here. Fender baskets either side. And looking back over the foredeck, loads of plenty of space, very sociable up here. And you've got your searchlight just sat there as well, looking back down. Back into the saloon. You've got Toshiba flat screen telly there. Snap davits on the back here with a transom doors. And there we have it. Sea Mist available with Berthon. Please do not hesitate to give us a call for a viewing. Thank you.